Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir.
What is your name?
I'm Rosemary Agupardito.
How old are you?
55 years old.
Can you tell me more about your family?
4 brothers and 4 sisters.
How about your education background and special skills?
My educational background is a high school graduate, and my special skills is cook.
Can you tell me your work experience?
I'm working as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong at 12 years.
Okay, so what time do you wake up and go to bed?
6 and 9.
Okay, so how about your daily routine?
Washing the clothes, cook, and cleaning.
So can you go to the market by yourself?
Yes.
So do you know how to cook Chinese food? What is
Yes.
your best dish?
Steamed fish.
How long do you expect to work here in Hong Kong?
4 years.
What job do you prefer?
Take care of kids.
Okay. So are you a quiet person or talkative?
Quiet.
So do you like spending more time with the children?
Yes.
So in your previous work, do you organize your work independently by yourself or you follow your employer's instructions?
I follow my employer instruction.
Okay. So do you have any hobbies and what are they?
Read the Bible.
Okay. And how about if there are some accidents happen in the kid at home?
And if my employer is have a work outside, and then I call him, and then I said to have a fever the kids.
Okay. So on your day off, do you finish some basic work before or after going out?
No.
Okay.